Hi, my name is Juan Tapia, and you are now at Shh Lounge, aka the Secret Lounge. I'll be making my New York Sour for you guys today. So, we'll be starting off with our base of citrus, which is lemon juice. Then we have our homemade cinnamon syrup. And for all you vegan-friendly people, we have the aquafaba, which is a good substitute for egg white. And of course, the delicious 1792 bourbon. Add some ice. Give it a nice strong shake. Now you're gonna go ahead and dump into the tin, and then go ahead another dry shake without the ice. This is gonna emulsify and give it a nice little layer. Gives it a nice head. Now go ahead and just put it into the glass, and you will slowly watch the head build. As that is happening, you'll add the ice. And then we will do a little bit of a top off of a port wine. It'll give it a nice color contrast. Then we go for the garnish. We here use a dehydrated lemon wheel, made in-house, fresh. And then we use a cinnamon stick to go ahead and garnish it with the zest. And voila, you got it. New York Sour.